The Umkhonto missile represents one of South Africa's most successful and respected modern air defense systems, designed to protect naval vessels and land installations against a wide range of aerial threats. Developed by Denel Dynamics, Umkhonto reflects South Africa's deep experience in missile technology and its ability to produce advanced, reliable weapons systems that meet international standards. The name, Umkhonto, which means spear, in Izulu, symbolically represents precision, reach, and defensive strength, qualities that define this missile system in real operational terms. At its core, Umkhonto is a surface-to-air missile created to intercept and destroy enemy aircraft, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles, and in certain configurations, incoming anti-ship missiles. Its design philosophy focuses on flexibility, reliability, and high accuracy, making it suitable for both naval and land-based air defense roles. Unlike many older air defense missiles that were limited to a single platform or environment, Umkhonto was engineered from the beginning to operate effectively in multiple domains, whether launched from a warship at sea or a mobile launcher on land. The missile itself has a sleek, aerodynamic body optimized for rapid acceleration and stable flight. Its compact size allows it to be stored and deployed efficiently, particularly on naval vessels where space is limited. Despite its relatively compact form, Umkhonto carries sophisticated guidance and control systems that allow it to engage fast and highly maneuverable targets. The missile uses a solid-fuel rocket motor, which provides quick launch readiness and consistent performance, a critical factor in modern air defense where reaction time can mean the difference between interception and impact. One of Umkhonto's most important strengths lies in its guidance system. Depending on the variant, the missile employs infrared homing or radar-assisted guidance, allowing it to track and lock onto targets with high precision. Infrared guidance makes it especially effective against low-flying aircraft and helicopters, even in environments with heavy electronic interference. This capability is crucial in modern warfare, where electronic countermeasures are commonly used to confuse or disable enemy missiles. Umkhonto's design minimizes vulnerability to such countermeasures, increasing its probability of a successful intercept. The missile's maneuverability is another defining feature. Advanced control surfaces and a responsive flight control system enable Umkhonto to perform sharp turns and high-G maneuvers during flight. This allows it to engage agile targets that attempt evasive actions at the last moment. In naval scenarios, this is particularly important, as sea-skimming missiles can approach at very low altitudes and high speeds, leaving defenders with only seconds to react. Umkhonto's quick response time and agility give it a strong advantage in such high-pressure situations. Umkhonto is also notable for its vertical launch capability in naval configurations. Vertical launch systems allow missiles to be fired straight up before turning toward their target, eliminating the need to point the launch platform directly at the threat. This provides full 360-degree coverage around the ship and significantly improves defensive flexibility. For naval commanders, this means a single Umkhonto system can defend against threats coming from any direction without repositioning the vessel, a major tactical advantage in complex maritime environments. Beyond its physical and technical characteristics, Umkhonto stands out because of its modular system design. The missile is part of an integrated air defense solution that includes radar systems, fire control units, and command and control software. This integration allows operators to detect, track, prioritize, and engage multiple targets simultaneously. In modern combat scenarios, where saturation attacks using multiple aircraft or drones are increasingly common, this capability is essential. Umkhonto's system architecture allows it to operate as part of a layered defense network, working alongside other short, medium, and long-range air defense systems. The development of Umkhonto also highlights South Africa's strategic approach to defense technology. Faced with international sanctions in the past, South Africa invested heavily in domestic research and development, building a strong foundation in aerospace and missile engineering. Umkhonto is a direct result of this legacy. It demonstrates how indigenous innovation can produce systems that not only meet national defense needs but also attract international interest. Several countries have evaluated or adopted Umkhonto for their naval and land forces, recognizing its balance of performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. From an operational perspective, Umkhonto is designed to be user-friendly and maintainable. Ease of maintenance and high system availability are critical factors for any military, especially for navies operating far from home ports. The missile and its associated systems are built with durability in mind, capable of withstanding harsh maritime conditions such as saltwater corrosion, high humidity, and constant vibration. This focus on reliability ensures that Umkhonto remains ready for action even after long deployments. Another important aspect of Umkhonto is its adaptability to evolving threats. Modern air defense is no longer limited to traditional fighter jets and bombers. Today's threats include drones, loitering munitions, and low observable targets that are harder to detect and track. Umkhonto's ongoing upgrades and variants are designed to address these challenges. Improvements in sensor integration, data processing, and seeker technology ensure that the missile remains relevant in a rapidly changing battlefield environment. The manufacturing and assembly process of Umkhonto reflects advanced industrial capabilities. Each missile undergoes strict quality control and testing to ensure consistent performance. Precision engineering is required for components such as the guidance seeker, control actuators, and propulsion system. Even minor deviations can affect flight stability or accuracy, so production standards are extremely high. This attention to detail is one of the reasons Umkhonto has earned a reputation for reliability among defense professionals. Strategically, Umkhonto plays a defensive role, but its presence can have a powerful deterrent effect. Effective air defense systems reduce an adversary's confidence in the success of aerial attacks, forcing them to reconsider their tactics or invest more resources to overcome defenses. In this sense, Umkhonto contributes not only to physical protection but also to broader strategic stability. By strengthening air defense capabilities, it helps protect critical assets such as warships, ports, military bases, and infrastructure. In the context of modern military doctrine, systems like Umkhonto are increasingly important. As air power becomes more accessible and drones proliferate, even smaller forces can pose significant threats. A capable surface-to-air missile system provides a cost-effective way to counter these threats without relying solely on expensive fighter aircraft. Umkhonto fits well into this role, offering a balanced combination of performance and affordability. In conclusion, the Umkhonto missile is far more than just a weapon, it is a symbol of South Africa's technological competence and strategic thinking in the field of air defense. Its advanced guidance, agility, and multi-platform capability make it a reliable shield against modern aerial threats. Designed with flexibility, durability, and future growth in mind, Umkhonto continues to evolve alongside the changing nature of warfare. Whether defending a naval fleet at sea or protecting vital installations on land, Umkhonto stands as a powerful and effective surface-to-air missile system, embodying precision, reliability, and defensive strength in the modern battlespace.